Everyone in their 20s should be house hacking. Here's why. Let me break down for you what house hacking can do if you do it over a 5-year period the right way. I get it. Nobody likes moving. No one likes people living in their basement, but hear me out. Let's say, hypothetically, that year one, you buy a house for $600,000, so the down payment is around $30,000. There's multiple units in the home, and you rent out one of the units and live in one of the units, and your portion of the mortgage after rental income is around $2,500 a month to live. Year two, you move out and do the exact same thing. Buy a $600,000 house, rent out your last property completely, rent out the other unit in your new house, and your living expenses stay the same at around $2,500 a month. You do this for year 3, 4, and 5, and the whole time keeping your monthly living expenses the same, but building equity and paying down principal on all the properties. After 5 years of rent increases or interest rate drops, you should be cash flowing enough from houses 1 through 5 that when you move into your 6th house, your portion of the mortgage is completely covered. After 30 years, you'll have 6 paid off properties worth probably double what you paid and tens of thousands of dollars in passive income from the rentals, all while keeping your living expenses around $2,500 a month over that 5-year period. And then from year 6 on, having no mortgage. This is what I did. I now have a ton of real estate. It's slow, it's not sexy, it's not fun, moving sucks, but it will change your life. Share this with somebody that needs it.